Hi, my name is Evie Aki, and I am chef and creator of the food blog Ev's Eats and author of my cookbook Flavors of Africa. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make Braaibroodjie, which is a South African grilled cheese. We're gonna butter each slice on both sides of the bread. That's what's gonna give this some more flavor and that lovely golden brown color. Now it's time to take our Gruyere. I'm gonna take a handful and also put it on top of the bread. Take about half a cup of this and place it right on top. It smells so amazing. Oh my goodness. And then we're gonna finish it off with some more Gruyere right on top. This is the ultimate grilled cheese. And now our grilled cheese are ready to get all toasty, melty, ooey gooey, and delicious. So I've got one whole sandwich here, and we're just gonna place it right in the middle of the pan and smash that down just a little bit. Our sandwich is done and she smells and looks amazing. We're cutting into it. Guys, ready for this? Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness, you guys. If you have never tried Braaibroodjie, you do not know what you are missing. You got the juiciness from the tomatoes. It's savory, but it's also a little sweet because of the mango chutney. And then you've got that perfect crispiness from the bread. It's the next level grilled cheese.